Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to Canada. Look at the snow. How much snow we have today. If you can hear the noise, it's a wind noise. And look at my kids, they are enjoying in snow. Be careful guys. Seriously, I can't even see where is the step. Are you going to clean the snow? The snow is blowing. I don't know if you can see with my camera.
No.
Can't see that.
I can't see over there far away.
Yeah. And the visibility is very low. And today the schools are closed. Kids got another holiday after online classes. They're supposed to go today, but it's because of the snowstorm warning, the schools are closed. So no classes, they are at home, so they just came out to enjoy the snow a little bit. You can see how much snow is there, blowing a lot. I don't know if my camera is showing it, but it's really blowing a lot. It's really hard to drive in this kind of weather, especially on highway. Visibility is very low, so that's why they close the school and all the high school and all elementary schools. I'm not sure about college and universities, but most of the classes are cancelled today. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, the phone was falling down from my hand. Can you tell me what's the temperature today?
Temperature?
Yeah?
What a wind speed.
Where temperature?
-7 degrees.
-7 degrees. And what about the wind?
50 miles per hour.
50 miles?
50 kilometers.
50 kilometers per hour. Oh. You guys want to play more in snow? Want to go inside now? Little bit? Okay, we will just take 5 minutes. I'm gonna let them play 5 minutes and then we're going inside. But it's a good idea if you play outside here. Why you want to go in the backyard? Don't forget to close it after, okay? Oh, I removed one of my glove to hold my phone and to control the camera, but my hand is freezing. It looks like that nature is spreading white sheet everywhere. Here we used to plant our chilies and tomatoes. Everything is finished now. Everything is dead. Oh, look, I still have some chilies on my plant. Can show you. Oh, look at this. Oh, I still have some chilies on my plant. And I also have some more vegetables. I don't know how to call that in English, but in Urdu we used to say that it's mungre. If somebody knows, can you please write in comment section that how do we call that in English? So ye mungre hai. Or actually you can say kind of radish seed. No, not radish, sorry. Yeah, radish seed, I think. Yeah, radish seed. Hello, I got one chili. And look at this, I also got one bell pepper here. You see? What is that? Bell pepper. You can slide down. So inshallah, when the summer is gonna come, we're gonna grow the vegetables again. We'll clean up all of these. You can see, I think some animal took that eggplant away. that was a video today I wanted to share with you guys. The winter stormy day in Montreal, Canada, and how the kids are celebrating. They're making snow angels. Can you show your snow angel? They don't feel cold. Do you want to make snow angel too?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, I think it's a good idea that if I close the video because it's too much cold, and we'll go inside and we will have some. We will have inside. What are you gonna have?
Hot chocolate.
And Mama is gonna take 1 cup of tea, right? So you're gonna say bye bye. Bye everybody.
Bye.
Bye. All the windy, snowy day. Bye bye everybody. Take care. See you next time in my next video. Allah Hafiz. We're going back to home now. My hands are all frozen. I removed one of my glove to hold camera. That's why it happened. We'll clean the snow later, okay? Not now.